Hello everyone, did you know that there's a well-hidden button on your home screen that tracks your actions on your smartphone, specifically your home screen? Just so you understand, the home screen is this area where your apps are located. So, for example, this is the first home screen. If I swipe left or right, here's the next home screen. If I swipe here, this is another home screen. So, you can have a lot of these home screens, depending on how many you've installed yourself. For example, I have a lot. And, cleverly, this button is enabled when you buy your smartphone, but few people know about it because they rarely access these settings. I'll tell you all about it now and show you how to disable it. Be sure to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. So, watch. If you go to the standard settings, you'll see a little house here, and a setting called desktop. But that's only if you have a standard theme, so I haven't changed the theme. If you change the theme, the icons here will obviously look completely different. There you go. If you can't find the desktop on your device, use the settings search. Just type desktop or desktop. It will find the exact same setting. Click it, and you'll be taken to the desktop settings themselves. Scroll all the way down. Of course, every phone is different. This setting might be among all these other settings, but mine is specifically at the bottom. It's called Show Suggestions. If the system interface is translated into different languages, this setting is also called Show Ads. It might also be called Show Suggestions. So, the system analyzes what you do on your desktop in your apps. Based on this, information is then sent to unknown servers, and various advertisers then send ads directly to your smartphone. Firstly, this drains the battery. Secondly, I personally don't like ads on my smartphone, the kind that constantly pop up and interfere with what I'm doing. And, of course, this constantly loads your processor and RAM. Plus, it uses up your internet connection. Of course, you need to disable this button, this slider, so your phone will work much better and much faster than before.